My first thought was, there's so much good work being done in Arizona. How can my work have risen to the level to have been honored with this award? Social justice, especially gun violence prevention and disability rights. And for me, those come together in that I am a full-time wheelchair user as a result of a gunshot wound. And once that becomes your reality and you start digging in to what that means in terms of facts, the number of children who die every year from gunshot wounds, the lack of access that people with disability have, and the opportunities that are denied to people with disabilities simply by barriers both in terms of architecture and attitudes, you can't help but get involved. When I think about the things that I've been fortunate to be a part of, a member of the chorus that has gotten these things done, the City of Phoenix Non-Discrimination Ordinance, the Mayor's Commission on Disability Issues, Homelessness Initiative, the defeat of guns on campuses bill in the state legislature. Those are some of the things that come immediately to mind that I really am gratified to have been a part of. Revel in the small changes you make and each tiny, tiny victory that we measure in micro inches. But at the same time, look for those huge systems changes that can have a global effect, because it's those tiny, tiny shifts that actually create the landslide that becomes a systems change. And I think that what I would like to leave behind is knowing that people individually and collectively are advocating for the civil rights of people with disabilities. And I see that all the time, when someone calls and says, Jen, I was out at this place and I saw this access issue and I went and talked to the manager and I changed it. And they're proud of what they did, and I'm proud of them for having done it. But what gratifies me most is that there's been a shift in their consciousness, that they now see these issues and they see the social injustice, and that they're willing to step out on a limb to make a change. And that's what I would like to leave behind.